Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking around this approved used Audi A5 Coupe Black Edition 40 TFSI S-Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. With this being the 40 TFSI, you get a 2-litre turbo petrol engine producing 201 brake horsepower and achieving an estimated 41.5 miles per gallon. As this is a black edition, you get multiple elements of gloss black styling, including the rear boot spoiler, badges and side skirts. On the front are these fabulous matrix LED headlights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition, especially with the LED daytime running lights. And on all four corners you get these 20-inch 5-spoke polygon design alloy wheels finished in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and tying in really nice with the gloss black styling package. The rear boot lid can be popped open by just pushing the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. To access the rear seats, there's the lever on the side of both front seats. You pull it forwards and this reveals the rear seats for you. Centre armrest for the rear passengers' comfort, as well as tri-zone climate control so they can set their own temperature. Both of the seats also come with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front are the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. Once you get in the vehicle and close the door, the seat belts will be brought forwards to you to save you having to turn around and reach to get the seat belts. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side, the multifunction controls, giving you full access to the different displays on offer. On the right is your volume and voice controls with mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. With the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply the navigational system. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle depending on your mood and how you want the car to feel. We also have the 360-degree camera system, so you can have a look from every single angle around the vehicle, so you know that you're never going to damage that precious paintwork, even in tight supermarket car parks. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can set different temperatures, or you can synchronise them if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the approved used Audi A5 Coupe Black Edition 40 TFSI S-Tronic, available at Stafford Audi in Glacier White. If you have any questions or queries, or want to come and take a look at the vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team, or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look for yourself.